Continue the chapter congruent triangles. And the last question which we discussed was question number first of exercise 7.2. Now the question number second, we have given a triangle ABC. Question number 2, given a triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Perpendicular bisector means BD equals to CD. BD equals to CD and AD is at 90 degree. AD is perpendicular to BC. Perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. So in this question we have given that AD is the bisector of BC. It means BD equals to CD. BD equals to CD and also angle ADB equals to angle ADC equals to 90 degree. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So we have given side BD equals to side CD, angle ADB equals to ADC equals to 90 degree, and prove that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So we take two triangles in triangle ADB and triangle ADC. In triangle ADB and triangle ADC, we have BD equals to CD. It is given. BD equals to CD given, and angle ADB is equals to angle ADC. Angle ADB is equals to angle ADC 90 degree because AD is perpendicular. So angle ADB is equals to angle ADC 90 degree, and AD is the common side for both the triangles. AD equals to AD. This is common. AD equals to AD common for both the triangle. Therefore, by SAS, side angle side, these two triangles becomes congruent. Triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by side angle side, and by CPCT, side AB equals to side AC. AB equals to AC, and also by CPCT, angle B equals to angle C by CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. And this implies, since side AB equals to AC, angle B equals to angle C, therefore triangle ABC is isosceles. Now question number 3. We have given triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Given triangle ABC is isosceles. It means side AB equals to AC and angle B equals to angle C. Triangle ABC is isosceles. It means side AB equals to AC and angle B equals to angle C, in which BE and CF are altitudes drawn to the equal sides. BE is the altitude drawn on side AC. Altitude means perpendicular. BE is the altitude drawn on side AC and CF is the altitude drawn on side AB. BE and CF are the altitudes drawn on the side AC and AB. BE and CF are altitudes on side AC and AB. BE is the altitude drawn on side AC, CF is the altitude drawn on side AB. Show that these altitudes are equal. Show that the altitudes are equal, means we have to prove that BE is equals to CF. We have to prove that BE equals to CF. So, in triangle ABC, we have given that triangle ABC is isosceles. It means angle side AB equals to AC and angle B equals to angle C. AB equals to AC and angle B equals to angle C, because triangle ABC is an isosceles. Now from triangle BFC and CEB, from triangle BFC and CEB, in triangle BFC and triangle CEB, from triangle BFC and triangle CEB, angle B equals to angle C, because ABC is an isosceles triangle. So in triangle BFC, angle B, and in triangle CEB, angle C. So we can write angle B equals to angle C given, and side BC is common for both the triangle. Side BC is common for both the triangles, and if this angle is 90 degree, then in triangle BFC, angle BFC is also 90 degree, and in triangle CEB, angle CEB is 90 degree. So angle BFC equals to angle CEB equals to 90 degree. Angle BFC equals to angle CEB, which is 90 degree, and side BC equals to BC, common side for both the triangles. BC is the side for triangle BFC, and also BC is the side for triangle CEB, which is common. So by angle side, these two triangles are congruent. By AAS, these triangles are congruent. So triangle BFC is congruent to triangle CEB by AAS congruency. And if triangles are congruent, then by CPCT, in triangle BFC, the side CF, and in triangle CEB, the side BE are equal. So BE equals to CF by CPCT. BE equals to CF by CPCT. So this proves the result. The BE equals to CF. So we have given triangle ABC, which is isosceles, and also BE and CF are two altitudes drawn on the equal side. We have to prove that the altitude BE equals to altitude CF. So since ABC is an isosceles, therefore angle B equals to angle C. So we have taken two triangles BFC and triangle CEB. So in triangle BFC, angle B, and in triangle CEB, angle C are equal. Angle B equals to angle C. In triangle BFC, angle BFC, which is 90 degree, and in triangle CEB, angle CEB is 90 degree, and BC is the common side. So by AAS, these two triangles becomes congruent, and by CPCT, the two altitudes BE is equals to CF. Now next question, question number 4. ABC is a triangle. Question number 4. ABC is a triangle in which altitude BE and CF, two sides AC and AB, are equal. We have given a triangle, any triangle ABC. We have given any triangle ABC in which the altitude BE and CF are equal. ABC is a triangle in which altitude BE and CF are equal. So given triangle ABC in which altitude BE equals to altitude CF. Altitude BE is equals to CF. BE is the altitude drawn on side AC. CF is the altitude drawn on side AB. Show that we have to prove that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. Triangle ABE is congruent. ABE, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. This is the first part which we have to prove. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. And second part, AB equals to AC. Second part we have to prove AB equals to AC. So we take two triangles. In triangle ABE and triangle ACF. In triangle ABE and triangle ACF. So in triangle ABE, this angle will also be 90, this is also 90. In triangle ABE, angle AEB is 90 degree, and in triangle ACF, angle AFC is 90 degree. So these two angles are equal. So we can write angle AEB is equals to angle AEB is equals to angle AFC. Angle AEB, angle AEB is equals to angle AFC, each 90 degree. Angle AEB equals to angle AFC, each 90 degree. And angle BAE is equals to angle CAF, common angle for both the triangle. In triangle BABE, angle BAE is equals to angle CAF. So angle BAE is equals to angle CAF. This is the common angle for both the triangle. So in triangle ABE, this angle is 90 degree and this is common for ABE and for ACF. And in triangle ABE, side BE, and in triangle ACF, side CF are equal. So side BE is equals to side CF, altitude given. This is given that altitude BE is equals to altitude of CF. So these two triangles becomes congruent by angle side. So triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF by AAS, and the first part has been proved that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF, and if these two triangles are congruent, triangle ABE and ACF, then by CPCT side AB is equals to side AC. AB equals to AC. This was the second part, and this is by CPCT. Corresponding part of congruent triangles. So in question we have given there is any triangle ABC in which altitude BE is the altitude on side AC, CF is the altitude on side AB. The first part we have to prove that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. So we have taken two triangles, triangle ABE and triangle ACF, in which in triangle ABE angle AEB is 90 degree, and in triangle ACF angle AFC is 90 degree. And also angle A is common for both the triangle, for ABE and for ACF. Angle A is common. So angle BAE equals to angle CAF, common angle. And third, the altitude we have given equal, BE equals to CF. So two angles, corresponding two angles, and one side and two sides are equal. There one pair of sides are equal. Therefore triangles is congruent by AS and by CPCT. Side AB equals to side AC, and therefore triangle ABC is isosceles. This implies triangle ABC is isosceles because side AB is equals to side AC. Now question number 5. Triangle ABC and BBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. There are two triangles, triangle ABC and DBC on the same base BC. Triangle ABC and triangle DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC. ABC is isosceles means side AB equals to side AC, and angle ABC is equals to angle ACB because triangle ABC is isosceles. And triangle DBC is isosceles. It means side DB equals to side DC, and angle DBC is equals to angle DCB. So given two isosceles triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DBC, and we have to prove that, show that angle ABD equals to angle ACD. Show that angle ABD is equals to angle ACD. So in triangle ABC, we have given that ABC is isosceles. It means angle ABC is equals to angle ACB. First number equation. And in triangle DBC, it is also isosceles. So angle DBC is equals to angle DCB. This is the second number equation. Triangle DBC is isosceles, therefore angle DBC equals to angle DCB. Second number equation. Now add first and second. So angle ABC plus angle DBC equals to angle ACB plus angle DCB, and ABC plus DBC, this becomes angle ABD, and ACB plus DCB combined together and it becomes angle ACB. So prove that angle ABD equals to angle ACB.